Jim, tech was new video. We've got some goodies in from Ringke, so it's coming a nice presentation here, and it's a special gift from us to you for VIP, and that's it. So really nice presentation to begin with. So I know we're to get some cases and that kind of stuff. So you get this card inside and this little note, which is cool. So you can pause that and read it if you want. Let's get into it. So, okie dokie, we have got cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and we have got the black one there. So we'll be having a look at them first of all. So this is a clear case, and we'll have that reviewed soon. So there's 3 different cases, and this one is the clear case, and the other one is matte clear. So it's got a different finish, very nice, and it's got kind of a frosted finish actually. Yes, and that is nice to see. And we have got the black, and that's got a nice softish finish to it too, and that's what it looks like there. So stay tuned for a review on that soon. So we're going to have 2 separate reviews for the iPhone and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So that's the Z Flip 3. Now these are for your iPhone 13 Pro. Let's check them out. This one is Onyx iPhone. So that's that there. That's actually quite nice, really nice finish to the back of that there. So we'll be back with that with the full range. We're going to do a review separately for each phone, so stay tuned for them. This is just to give you a look at what you get in the VIP pack for the viewers. Actually like that case. Next up is the Fusion iPhone 13 Clear. And you can see with Ringke, if you might remember, for the use eco packaging, they've been doing so for quite some time, which is nice to see. So that's the eco one there. Pretty nice. And you do get instructions there. You will remember with Ringke, they have plastic covering on the inside to stop it from getting scratched and that kind of stuff. Next up, smoke black. That's nice. I like these kind of cases, so I'm liking that one. So that's what that one looks like. And finally, Fusion X iPhone 13 Pro Black. And that's that there, and that's quite nice as well. Soft TPU edges there and so on, and that's it. So that's what you're going to get, and that's what's going to be coming up soon on techwazorn.com. Stay tuned for a full review of both cases, and stay tuned for lots of accessories for the iPhone 13 Pro and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 on techwazorn.com, where we give you real hands-on looks at the products we test out and review rather than stock images. You get to see it in our hands, show you that we've actually had it, and to give you a better idea and some context to what we've actually been doing. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Ringke for sending this review kit over to us, and watch out for the videos, and of course drop links where you can pick up all these goodies and our other materials that they have on site. They've got quite a big range, and that's all coming up next on techwazorn.com. We'll talk to you then.